niggas left out shit. You think I'm about to miss my chance becoming a real nigga by telling you who really did it? When I know who did it, but I ain't about to tell you. Cause I'm gonna take the charge. That's what real niggas do. Let the game fucked up out you. You a whole out shit. Brother Peace and Will. Brother Peace and Will. Shout out to the whole hood. The whole hood.
I'm trying to tell you, boy, please don't play with me. My life is too important. I take care of family. I swear to God, man, I ain't playing games. Why not hold 30 and they ain't got no name? I might snatch your chain just to ease my pain, cause I know you lame, and it's a fucking shame. Your homeboy claim me real, but will he really show it? Say she won't do it, but then she fucking blows it. I can't trust these niggas, or these females neither. I just duck and dodge them, treat them like the people. I feel I have no equal, but there might be a sequel, cause God bless me with soldiers, and I teach them brothers keeper. It's only for the fam, so I do what I can. I call myself a man, so I stand where I stand. On here, can't nobody tell me shit. Rap money, I just want a little bit. I'm just trying to get paid to talk my shit. I'm just trying to get rich just to rub my lip.
Okay, a lot of niggas say cause they see me out your wallet now. Got a minute feeling cause I'm all these hoes talk about peso this, peso that. Known to have a lot of cloud raggedies, telling Facebook I'm just that nigga now. Bitch, I wanna get money, got a whole lot coming free. Cause Uncle Tony Blunt, them motherfucker homies. One thing I can say, I'm young, but I'm on it. I was all on the beach stocks, yeah, they try to dome me. I'm a youngin', I be getting money, chillin' with Dom. You already know they be my homie. We be getting all this money, running shit, boss shit. Everything that we got, you know it costs, bitch. We got a lot of cash, and we turned up. You already know it's me, peso, bro. Getting money, and I'm stacking a lot of hundreds. If a nigga really wanna come and get it, 30's coming.
Put something on my books. Tell my people, put something on my books. Send me upstairs.
Shut your mouth.